Wiscope Media. We bring you the latest political news from across the country. Do subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest updates. The Karnataka Congress on Thursday temporarily called off its Meghadatu March, terming it a sacrifice in the interest of the state and its people, a day after the state government prohibited inter-district and intra-district, that is, within Ramanagara, movement of vehicles and persons for participating in the Padyatra. Today we are sacrificing this protest, D.K. Shivkumar, president of the Karnataka Pradesh Congress Committee, said on Thursday in Ramanagara, about 50 kilometers from Bengaluru. Shivkumar said this was just a temporary break, emphasizing the Nama Niru Namahaku Padyatra will resume soon without specifying the date. We are ending the hashtag Meghadatu Padyatra as of now due to the increasing hashtag COVID-19 cases in Bengaluru. Our main priority is the well-being of the people. We will restart the Padyatra as soon as the COVID-19 cases are reduced and restrictions are removed, Senior Congress leader and the leader of the opposition, Siddaramaiah, said in a Twitter post. The Basavaraj Bommai-led Bharatiya Janata Party government on Wednesday evening banned participation in the Padyatra in the backdrop of the steep rise in the COVID-19 cases across the state. The government's decision came hours after the Karnataka High Court came down on the government for its inaction and the Congress for the defense of the restrictions. Senior Congress leaders held a meeting in Ramanagara district on Thursday after the government's order in which several leaders expressed their concerns over the continuing the Padyatra. The several hundreds who had gathered in Ramanagara remained in the district for a few hours before Congress leaders addressed them and asked them to return to their districts. The suspension of the march, meanwhile, triggered a war of words between the Congress and the ruling BJP, with both accusing each other of aiding the spread of COVID-19 cases. At the rate, BJP for Karnataka government was always interested in covering up their failure in hashtag COVID-19 management by pointing fingers at the opposition. It has failed both politically and administratively to ensure justice to the victims of hashtag COVID-19, Siddaramaiah said in a tweet. Several BJP leaders had been holding events with large gatherings up until the first week of January. The government constantly tried to persuade Congress to stop the Padyatra. The government handled the situation in a very mature manner without use of force like lathi charge or arrest. Padyatra has indeed led to a surge in cases and Congress is responsible for this, DKK Sudhakar, State's Health Minister, said on Thursday. The Congress's 10-day-long Padyatra demanding implementation of the Meghadatu project, to which neighbouring Tamil Nadu is opposed, continued for the fourth day on Wednesday for a distance of about 15 km from Chinnakkanahalli to Ramanagara, with participation of hundreds of party workers and supporters. The Padyatra that began on 9th January, spanning a distance of nearly 139 km, was scheduled to conclude at Basavanagudi in Bengaluru on January 19th. Police have already filed 3 FIRs against Congress leaders including Shivkumar and Siddaramaiah for taking out the march-defying COVID-19 curbs. Well, now stay with us. We shall bring you all the latest updates on this. This is Aparna Sundar reporting for Wiscope Media.